So this is the adapter itself, as you can see, very kind of small. Now just plug the adapter portion into the input of the car, and that gives it power. With this, you can charge your phone while listening to music with the adapter. As you can see here, a very simple interface with 2 channel buttons, 2 back and forward buttons, as well as a play and pause button which doubles as a volume switch. I have it connected to my iPhone 6s Plus through Bluetooth, and the station is 101.7. I'm going to find that on the radio now, and it will connect perfectly. So there you go, it's at 101.7 on the radio. So I'm airplaying to T10, and that is this adapter down here. And now finally, let's play some Adele. And it works perfectly fine. There's very little static, it works almost always flawlessly. Just find the right station that it works with and it's perfect. So buy it.